you also got a very good rank. So
Yes.
brief all these guys about yourself.
I have studied from GDC Indore, and I joined ACE Achievers in May 2021 in after my final year exams and before my internship started. After that, I realized I won't be eligible for the exam in 2022. So, ma'am shifted me to the next batch in September 21. In that case, in March 2022, the eligibility criteria changed. So I gave the exam by only preparing the dental subjects then, and I scored around 2,273 something rank in last attempt, previous attempt. But I continued to prepare medical subjects after that also. So in this time I scored 78th rank only by after my internship also.
So again, another case that just after internship also you can get a very good rank. वर्षा ये बताओ कि आफ्टर वन अटेम्प्ट जो तुम्हारा पहला अटेम्प्ट था उसके बाद you had some कि भी मैं ऑनलाइन नहीं पढ़ पाऊंगी and things like that.
Yes,
So
sir.
you tell these guys about that story.
So before after COVID, actually in COVID times we had already studied from Zoom, and the teachers already in our college used to study used to teach from presentation only. So I was little bit scared that I could not study from presentation and all. मुझसे नहीं होगा. मैंने मैम को बोला भी था कि मैम presentation से I cannot study. So मैम ने बोला कि you should have at least a little faith in the academy. You will do better. So I watched videos at that time. मैम ने मुझे बोला, and after internship started, I realized that this is the best. I can study. We are getting high points also, and everything सब spoon feed किया जाता है. बाकी सारी coachings में notes and everything you have to make it by own. I cannot internship में इतना time नहीं हो पाता है कि आप notes भी बना दो और question banks भी कर लो और सर की book भी कर लो, सब कुछ मेरे से तो नहीं. हेक्टिक स्केड्यूल के साथ साथ पढ़ाई और प्रेजेंटेशन नोट्स ये सब एक साथ नहीं हो पाता है बाकी कोचिंग्स में जैसे होता है. सो दिस वाज बेटर आई थॉट.
Okay, I'll tell you the story. She joined and then she called me after one day and said, "Ma'am, can I have my money back?" I said, "We can definitely give you your money back, but tell me the issue." She says, "My friends are going to the classroom. What should I do, ma'am? I don't want to study online." But then the good part is, at least when I told her, give it a try, she said, "Okay, ma'am, as you say." But then she was after me for a day that, "Ma'am, I want to withdraw back my admission." So then slowly as we progressed, she also gained confidence and then we worked. But then initially she didn't want to study online at all, right?
So Varsha, tell more about your preparation. कि भी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में तुमने ज़्यादा डेंटल पढ़ा था, तो सेकंड में तुमने किस पे फोकस किया, मेडिकल पे किया या डेंटल पे ही फोकस किया?
सेकेंड में डेंटल पार्ट पे और मेडिकल दोनों पे फोकस किया. डेंटल मैंने लास्ट में स्टडी किया क्योंकि फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में मैं डेंटल कर चुकी थी अच्छे से. तो मेडिकल पार्ट में मई में ऑलरेडी मेरी पढ़ाई थोड़ी छूट गई थी लास्ट ईयर भी. देन अभी जो एग्जाम के पहले आई कंप्लीटेड ऑल द मेडिकल पार्ट. और फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ये भी था कि आई डिड नॉट स्टडी योर बुक ऑल्सो. ओनली डेंटल पार्ट आई हैड स्टडी. मई तक दिस ईयर एग्जाम तक आई हैड स्टडीड एटलीस्ट 3 or 4 times your book. Before exams also मैम को मैंने बताया था कि मैम I'll be studying I'll be studying all the tests and book. I did not study pulse before 1 month. Before 1 month तक मैंने 4-5 times pulse कर चुकी थी. उसके बाद last month में I only studied that all the subject tests. I did it twice and your book sir twice. And so, all the subject mock explanations.
लास्ट टाइम का जो पेपर था वो तो वैसे काफी थोड़ा पल्स ओरिएंटेड भी था. इस बारी का तो पेपर बिल्कुल पल्स पे था भी नहीं. It
Yes,
was
sir.
more of the medical paper, and dental के जो थे वो बिल्कुल सिंपल थे, मेडिकल के तो बहुत ही अलग लेवल के क्वेश्चन थे.
Yes,
But the
sir.
thing is कि जो हम पढ़ाते हैं, what we teach, at least that would lead you to the level wherein you can eliminate 2 options and you can get to the last 2 options and then choose one of them. That is how this
Yes,
paper
sir.
went actually.
Yes, sir.
वर्षा, तुमने कितने क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट किया?
Sir, 233 attempt किए थे. 183 were correct and 50 were wrong.
So this is how it goes. As I said, 220 should be the minimum target always. And these kind of difficult papers, because you're going down to 2 options, there is a risk of good amount of negative marking. So over attempting is always required to compensate for that. Obviously, you should have the knowledge to get to that level. So what about the study pattern? वर्षा, तुम कितने घंटे पढ़ती थी?
सर स्टार्टिंग में तो 3-4 hours then 5 to 6 hours मैंने धीरे धीरे इंक्रीज किया. लास्ट मंथ में आई हैड स्टडीड 10 to 12 hours around.
So if you are dropping, for those of you who are like going into the next year, and even for the interns, starting में अगर आप you are putting 3 to 4 hours a day, I think that is good enough. But later, in the later part, for those especially who are dropping and you have time, so you should be putting around 8 hours, 9 hours, after 4-5 months, then that situation is going to come. And anything specific, Varsha, you would like to mention? Thanksgiving and
Yes,
message
sir.
to these people out there कि भाई क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. At second attempt में थोड़ी हिम्मत टूटती है, तो कैसे काम चलता है?
Sir, I would thank Akshika ma'am and you, sir. So, मतलब मैं मम्मा को हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि मम्मी इतना कर लूँ, इतने में हो जाएगा. तो मैं मैम को लास्ट मंथ में अप्रोच करती कि मैम इतना कर लूँ हो जाएगा कि नहीं. एंड मैम को बहुत बार बोला भी था कि मैम हो जाएगा कि नहीं, तो मैम बोलती नहीं थी कि हो जाएगा. Second thing, my parents are very supportive and my friends are also very supportive. And one tip I will give to all the students that please have that presence of mind and control your anxiety during the exam. If the question paper is easy, don't get too excited, and if it is difficult, don't get panicked in the exam. Because having that presence of mind in the exam is very important. आप सिली मिस्टेक्स बहुत ज़्यादा करने लगते हो अगर एंजाइटी कंट्रोल कर लेती है. तो मेरे लिए तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अगर थोड़ा और एंजाइटी कंट्रोल कर लेती तो और थोड़ा बेटर हो जाता, बट जैसा था वैसे ही हुआ. एंड बस
Great going, Varsha. I hope you end up with rank 1 in MP.